Alright, I'm going to show you guys something. This machine has been sitting since Tuesday. It's Friday now. And still 5 below. My preheater hasn't run. And this is a thing, I thought everybody knew of this, but as I talked to guys, I realized this light right here, it's your grid heater. Comes on when you first turn on the key. Yellow light comes on. It's in your intake. Just a piece of metal, fine metal that gets hot, gets red hot, and then it warms the air as it comes into the intake, into the engine. It's a starting aid. You let that cycle, wait till that light turns off, and makes things start way easier. Sometimes you can cycle it twice. She's stiff for sure. There she goes.